Hello and welcome everyone to a new video on your channel, Mr. Tech Tips. Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and don't forget also to like this video. In today's video, I will show you how to save a place on Google Maps. So to do this, it's very simple. You have just to go to Google Maps and let's say, for example, I want to save this place, that restaurant. I have just to click on it, and as you can see, there is a list here, and on that list there is save button. You have just to click on it and choose where you want to save that place. You can create a new list or you can use one of your actual list. For example, I will put it on favorite, and after that click on done. And like that, after that, when you go to your saved places, you will find that place saved on your Google Maps account. I hope that you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel to like this video, and see you in the next one.